Use the code to copy to show your students a video or tutorial embedded in a web page or Canvas course. You want to use this code rather than the actual source code because if we revise the video or tutorial, it will update automatically. This saves you time and frustration. How to use the code to copy. Step 1. Click the link to a video or tutorial. Step 2. Scroll down the page to the Code to Copy section. Step 3. Highlight the entire code to be embedded. Step 4. Copy the code by pressing Ctrl-C or Command-C. Step 5. Go to the web page or Canvas course you want the video or tutorial to display. For example, the code is pasted into a Canvas course. Step 6. Click the HTML editor and then press Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste the code. If you re-edit the Canvas content, announcement, page, assignment, etc., where this video and others are embedded, a scroll bar will appear. You will need to copy and paste the code for this and any other videos into the content page again in order to make the scroll bars disappear.